Turning on your aircon, and then it's just not cold enough. And then in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can fix your aircon, make it as cold as a freezer without spending a lot of money. And those two, you can purchase it online. Let me show you how. Let me share with you the reason why the aircon is not cold, and then even though you put it at a very low temperature, most of the time, by time the dust will accumulate. Obviously, you need to clean or wash your aircon by a professional, but most of the time, if your house is dusty, the dust collected into the blower will cause it to be less cold, and you wanted to clear that dust off. And with the tool that I'm going to share with you, you can easily DIY this by yourself with a very cost-effective way. This is how you diagnose whether the aircon that you have the dust collector on the roller. And what you do is that you obviously turn on the aircon. Let the aircon turn on right now. And then you can use your hand to feel the evenness of the air that has been blowing out from here. If there's dust collected, right, so for some time, if you feel it, some portion of the blower might not be blowing out air. That will be a good indicator that you can do it budgetly and use the water pressure so that you can clean out the fan blower dust by yourself. Before I begin, there are a few tools that you need. You need a Phillips screwdriver so that you can open up the aircon later. And then you need to purchase this. This is the thing that you collect the dust from it. And then you also need to purchase this pressure gun that have a few buckets to fill in the water and dust later on. So do not need to buy a very high pressure water gun, because you only need a small pressure of it. If you are having too much pressure, perhaps it will damage your aircon as well. First, you need to turn off the aircon. Remember to turn off the switch here. First step, you need to remove the cover of your aircon. There's a 3 screw, one here, and one here, and one over this side that you need to remove. Alright? Screw is removed, you need to remove the casing, and this is how you do it. So on top here, you can see there is a clip, and clip. You need to unclip it like that. Just pull it up. Then you remove this blade, just like that. Remove it. Remove this guy here, so that it's easier for you to clean later. Just use the same way on the both of the side. Be gentle a bit. Just wiggle around, and it will come up by itself, just like that. This also you need to remove. You look at here the amount of dust that is being collected over time. You see? So this is what caused the blower doesn't come out air as much. So once you get this clean, you'll be good like normal. Before you start cleaning, you want to put in this thing to collect the water and the dust that's falling from there. There's 2 clips here. Hook the clip together like this. And then this flip, you can slip it under like that. Right. As a precaution, you can use this cover and then the cover back, so that in case that the water will go into this circuitry, we don't want to ensure that we are safe, and then our aircon is safe as well. Right. After that's done, you can use your pressure gun. Let me show you. You just spray your gun from this side to this side, and then you go on just like that. And you can use your hand to just like hold in the roller so it doesn't roll, and then you wash it. Yeah, it will be very effective. After this, you just keep it dry and let it dry for a while. Let's look at the amount of dirt that this basket collected. This is what makes your aircon doesn't feel cold when you open up, even you tune down the temperature. Okay, this is for now. I will share this thing. It's all the steps about the tool that you can use, the method how you clean it, and it is very safe, very easy. I can do this within 15 minutes of time. Just spending 15 minutes and a few, maybe 50, 60 ringgit, you could clean up your aircon, make it just like new, saving electricity, making your family comfortable, cold, and yeah, actually breathe better after that. If you like video like this, do like and subscribe so that video like this can go to more people and people can know about it and have the benefit that you have too. Alright, until next time, bye bye.